So hi guys! Welcome back! So today guys, we're reviewing the Hisense M2 Pro 4K Triple Laser Mini Projector.
Para sa dalaga na kundi dahil sa pag-ibig ay tinalikuran ko na sana dalaga na balak makasama mula sa simula.
So isang mini projector siya pero pang big screen yung quality. So guys, full review tayo ng picture, color accuracy, brightness, features audio, and gaming performance. So lahat yan guys. So tara na, let's dive in! So design-wise guys, para siyang high-end smart speaker. Pero 4K laser projector pala. So portable siya guys. Perfect siya for dorms, condo, small rooms, even outdoor movie nights. So basta may wall ka, you're good to go. Kasi nga sobrang dali niyang i-set up. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Try na natin sa kabilang room. So guys, one of the strongest feature ni M2 Pro is meron siyang automatic environmental adaptation. So meron siyang autofocus, auto screen fit, auto keystone, auto obstacles avoidance, and syempre meron siyang self-adaptive wall color correction. So guys, makikita natin sa remote yung cog icon niya. So i-click lang natin to and makikita mo lahat ng features niya. So meron siyang auto keystone, manual keystone, auto screen alignment, auto focus, manual focus, size and position, and guys, may eye care na rin pala siya. So yan, eye care voice reminder, adaptive auto correction, keystone save, keystone settings, wall color adaptation, auto dust removal, installation, and auto fit flip. So guys, this is where things get serious. The M2 Pro is a 4K UHD triple laser projector capable of throwing a 65-inch up to 200-inch screen. So tatlong laser meaning super accurate ng colors and long lifespan. So kung usapang brightness naman guys, 1.3 ANSI lumens, strong enough for dim to moderate lit room. So guys, try naman natin siya ng naka-lights off. So color performance is insane. 110% BT 2020 color space, which is above cinema grade. Supported din ang Dolby Vision and HLG. So HDR content looks incredibly detailed. Plus, meron siyang filmmaker mode for pure unprocessed movie accuracy and smooth motion technology para less blur sa fast scenes. So guys, hindi lang pala siya pang movie kasi capable din siya for gaming. It supports a 240Hz, high refresh rate, and low latency. So perfect siya para sa mga fast-paced shooters and racing games. So for smart features guys, it runs on VIDAA OS, and for audio naman guys, built-in na ang 20-watt stereo speaker system with Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X. So meaning guys, malinis yung vocal niya and wide ang sound stage. More than enough na siya for small to medium size room, and may bonus guys, 3D compatible na siya. So ngayon, pakinggan na natin.
Bago ka maniwala dyan sa walang alam, siguraduhin mo muna di yung puro bintang. Gano'n lang sasamahan, parang ugali sabay, tapik sa aking kamay, di ka talaga.
So kung umabot ka sa video na to guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe sa YouTube channel namin para updated ka sa mga bagong videos na i-upload namin. And kung gusto mo naman ma-experience to guys, please visit us at 103A Biak na Bato Street, Barangay Siena, Quezon City. See you!